Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly speed up a video in CapCut PC. This is super useful if you want to make your content more dynamic, create time-lapse, or just cut down on unnecessary length in your clips. First, open up CapCut on your computer and create a new project. Once the project is ready, go ahead and import the video you want to edit. Simply drag it into the media area and from there, place it on the timeline at the bottom. Now you'll see your video laid out and by default it will play at its normal speed. To adjust the speed, look to the top left where you'll see the speed option. Click on that and a menu will open that gives you different speed settings. You can choose from multiple options such as 2x, 3x, 5x, and even more depending on how fast you want your video to go. For example, if you select 5x, your video will play 5 times faster than normal. This is great for things like tutorials, gaming, or showing processes in a shorter time. Once you apply the speed change, preview the video in the player window to make sure it looks the way you want. If it feels too fast or too slow, just go back and adjust the speed again until you're happy with the result. After that, you can continue editing or export the project to save your final video. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more editing tips.